From the dawn of humanity, we have looked up at the stars and wondered, where did it all begin? The question of our world's origin has captivated minds for millennia, leading to a rich tapestry of stories, beliefs, and scientific explorations. Across cultures and throughout history, humans have sought to understand the genesis of the universe and our place within it. Myths, with their fantastical narratives, offer imaginative explanations passed down through generations. Religions provide frameworks of faith, revealing divine acts of creation. Meanwhile, science, with its empirical approach, unveils the secrets of the cosmos through observation and experimentation. The quest to comprehend our beginnings is a testament to our innate curiosity and our deep-seated need to find meaning in the vastness of existence. While the answers remain elusive and ever-evolving, the journey itself is a profound testament to the power of human inquiry. If you enjoyed this exploration, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more fascinating content, and stay tuned for the next chapters.
Section 4, From the Void, the Big Bang. Science offers a different approach to understanding the universe's origin, relying on observation, experimentation, and mathematical models. The prevailing scientific theory, the Big Bang, describes the universe's beginning as a state of unimaginable density and temperature. This singularity, containing all matter and energy, rapidly expanded and cooled, leading to the formation of subatomic particles, atoms, stars, and galaxies over billions of years. The Big Bang theory is supported by a wealth of evidence, including the redshift of distant galaxies and the existence of cosmic microwave background radiation. This model continues to be refined as scientists gather more data and develop new technologies to probe the depths of space and time. The study of the Big Bang is an ongoing endeavor, pushing the boundaries of our understanding of the universe's earliest moments. Section 5. A Planet is Born, Earth's Formation. Within the grand narrative of the Big Bang, the formation of Earth is a captivating chapter. Billions of years ago, our solar system was a swirling cloud of gas and dust known as the solar nebula. Gravity pulled this material together, eventually forming the sun at the center. The remaining dust and gas coalesced into planetesimals, small rocky bodies that collided and accreted over millions of years, eventually forming the Earth and other planets. Early Earth was a hostile environment bombarded by asteroids and volcanic activity. Over time, Earth cooled, allowing for the formation of oceans and an atmosphere conducive to life. The geological processes that shaped our planet continue to this day, a testament to the dynamic nature of Earth's evolution.
Our story begins in Africa. This vast continent, with its diverse landscapes, holds a special place in human history. It is here, amid the savannas and forests, that our species first emerged. Africa is often called the cradle of humankind, and for good reason. The earliest anatomically modern humans appeared in East Africa around 300,000 years ago. The human journey is a long one, stretching back millions of years. But it was around 300,000 years ago that our own species appeared. Fast forward to around 3500 BCE, and we see the rise of the Nile Valley civilizations. Ancient Egypt, one of the world's earliest and most iconic civilizations, emerged along the Nile. Known for its pyramids, pharaohs, and contributions to writing, mathematics, and medicine. To the south, the Nubian kingdoms, including the Kingdom of Kush, had a profound cultural and political influence on Egypt. Meanwhile, in present-day Tunisia, the powerful Phoenician city-state of Carthage rose to prominence around 813 BCE. Carthage dominated Mediterranean trade and clashed with Rome in the Punic Wars. Africa's role in human evolution and early civilization cannot be overstated. The story of human origins and ancient civilizations is one of constant discovery. Each year, new fossils and artifacts come to light. These finds help us piece together our past. They show us that human evolution was not a straight line. Instead, It was a complex bush with many branches. Some led to dead ends, while others led to us. Africa was the fertile ground where this bush first took root and flourished. If you like this video, please like it, subscribe for more interesting videos like this, and watch the next ones. The search for human origins has led scientists to many parts of Africa, but some sites stand out for their importance. One such place is Omokibish in Ethiopia. Here, in 1967, researchers found 2 fossil skulls. These skulls, known as Homo I and Homo II, are among the oldest known Homo sapiens fossils. They date back to about 195,000 years ago. Another crucial site is Jebel Irhoud in Morocco. For many years, scientists thought modern humans evolved only in East Africa. But discoveries at Jebel Irhoud changed this view. In 2017, researchers announced the find of Homo sapiens fossils here. These fossils are about 300,000 years old. They push back the origin of our species by 100,000 years. The Hertos site in Ethiopia has also yielded important discoveries. In 2003, scientists found 3 well-preserved Homo sapiens skulls here. These skulls are about 160,000 years old. They show a mix of ancient and modern features. This suggests that human evolution was a gradual process. Our species didn't appear suddenly, but evolved over time. These fossil sites are like pieces of a puzzle. Each one gives us a glimpse into our past. Together, they help us build a picture of human evolution. They show us that our species has deep roots in Africa, from Ethiopia to Morocco, from South Africa to Kenya. The story of human origins is written in stone and bone. What did our early ancestors look like? The fossil record gives us some clues. Early Homo sapiens had many features we would recognize today, but they also had some differences. Their skulls were slightly longer and lower than ours. Their faces were more robust, with strong brow ridges and larger teeth. One of the most striking features of early Homo sapiens was their brain size. Our ancestors had large brains, similar in size to modern humans. This big brain was a key to our species' success. It allowed for complex thinking, planning, and social interaction. The brain's size and structure changed over time, but even 300,000 years ago, our ancestors had the hardware for advanced cognition. The bodies of early Homo sapiens were built for endurance. They were tall and slender with long legs. This body type was well suited for life on the African savanna. It allowed our ancestors to cover long distances efficiently. They could track prey over many miles, a hunting technique called persistence hunting. Despite these differences, early Homo sapiens would have looked recognizably human to us. They had the same basic body plan we have today. They walked upright on 2 legs. They had opposing thumbs, allowing for precise manipulation of objects. Their faces had the same arrangement of features, 2 eyes, a nose, and a mouth. In many ways, they were us, just an earlier version. Section 4. Tools, Art, and Society. The Dawn of Human Culture. The story of early Homo sapiens is not just about bones and bodies. It's also about behavior. Our ancestors were not just physically modern, they were behaviorally modern too. This means they had complex cultures with tools, art, and social structures. These cultural innovations were just as important as physical changes in making us human. One of the hallmarks of Homo sapiens is advanced tool use. Our ancestors made a variety of stone tools. These included hand axes, scrapers, and points. They used these tools to hunt, prepare food, and make clothing. Over time, the tools became more complex and specialized. This shows that our ancestors were thinking ahead, planning, and problem solving. Art is another sign of complex behavior. Some of the earliest art in the world comes from Africa. In South Africa, researchers have found shell beads that are 75,000 years old. These were likely used as jewelry. In the same region, they've discovered pieces of ochre with engraved patterns. These date back 100,000 years. Such finds suggest that early humans were capable of symbolic thought. Social structures were also developing during this time. Early Homo sapiens lived in groups. They cared for their young and their elderly. They traded with other groups, exchanging materials and ideas. There's evidence of long-distance trade networks as far back as 320,000 years ago. All of this points to a species with complex social bonds and the ability to cooperate on a large scale. Section 5. Out of Africa, the Great Human Migration. The story of Homo sapiens doesn't end in Africa. At some point, our ancestors began to leave their homeland. This movement is known as the Out of Africa Migration. It's one of the most significant events in human history. It led to the spread of our species across the globe. The exact timing of this migration is still debated, but most evidence points to a major exodus around 70,000 years ago. Small groups of humans left Africa and entered the Middle East. From there, they spread to Asia, Europe, and eventually the Americas and Australia. This journey took thousands of years. Along the way, our ancestors faced numerous challenges. As they moved, these early humans encountered other hominin species. These included Neanderthals in Europe and Asia, and Denisovans in Asia. There's evidence that Homo sapiens interbred with these other species. This means that many people today carry small amounts of Neanderthal or Denisovan DNA. It's a reminder of the complex history of our species. The Out of Africa migration had profound implications. It led to the diversity we see in human populations today. Different groups adapted to new environments. This resulted in variations in skin color, body shape, and other traits. But despite these surface differences, genetic studies show that all humans are remarkably similar. We are one species with a shared African origin. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, subscribe for more fascinating content, and don't forget to watch the next one.